Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is the first of a weekly thing that I will be doing. If I have black under my eyes, please excuse, I just like washed my face with a makeup wipe. I have a horrible headache today. I should have done this video a lot sooner and had it ready and prepared, but alas I did not. So this video will go up on Friday. Like I was saying, this is going to be the first of a weekly what I ate for the week. So all week long, I either took a picture or recorded what I was eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for Monday through Friday. Well, not Friday, because today's Thursday. So Monday through Thursday. It might change. Maybe I'll start doing it later on Friday nights. It'll come out if I want to include what I ate on Friday. Not really sure yet, but so far this is how I'm going to do it. So Monday through Thursday, what I ate in a day. And let me just say, I know I get a lot of views and not nearly as many likes or even dislikes or comments as compared to the views. If you're watching this and you like me, click the thumbs up button, leave me a little comment, say hi, even if you're a lurker. I love to talk to you guys. I love seeing you guys. I see people that watch my videos that go to other people's videos that say that I sent them there, but I've never seen them comment on any of my videos. And it's like, hey, hi guys, I want to talk to you too. So even if you don't really enjoy commenting, just this one time, just say hi to me so I know you're there. And then I'll know you're the little lurker in the corner. I'm a lurker sometimes, I'll admit, but just say hi. I won't bite, I promise. Look at me, I look like a hot mess right now. Headache and all. Alright, so without further ado, here's what I ate this week. Alright guys, it is 11:42 a.m. and I am breaking my fast with my coffee, 3 slices of deli Sara Lee ham, and actually there's only 2 slices of this Colby Jack cheddar cheese, and then I made some 1-carb bread, so each slice is a carb. It didn't turn out right. Either way, that's what I'm breaking my fast with today. I cooked some steak in the air fryer. This is my bread that I made today. And then I have some broccoli and some green beans. Home again because the boys are sick. And this is my first meal of the day. It's just 2 pre-cooked sausage patties. I heated them up in the skillet. And then I put, one of them has mozzarella cheese on top melted. And the other one has a cheddar marbled cheese melted on top, and then 2 eggs scrambled, and then my coffee, bulletproof. What I'm having for lunch today, guys, it's a nice little smoothie that I made with chocolate almond milk, chia seeds, cocoa powder, stevia, and coconut flakes. Dinner, guys, I have my green beans with a little bit of the juice from this. This is the pork chop. It is so tender, falling off the bone. It is very soft and very, very, very good. That's it. Snacky the last couple of days. I don't know why. I was low on my fat, so I have 1 sugar-free Jell-O with some whipped cream and 1 serving of my Halo Top cookie dough. Kids wanted McDonald's today, so I got myself a Diet Coke and a double quarter, no bun. I prefer going to Wendy's if I'm going to get the meat without a bun because the meat is just more and it's juicier and it's fresh. But yes, I'm going to eat the onion, and there's not really any condiments on here. Not much at all. I wouldn't even say a teaspoon worth. It was all on the bun. I forgot to ask without a bun, so I took the bun off and I gave it to my dog. So tonight I made Keto Ginger's chili, Amanda's chili. It's so delicious. I actually recorded a video for it. Oh God, my dog rubbed his face all over my hand. I still have to wash it. But This is so good. 5 carbs is what I added it up to. It's delicious.